folding a hexagon. We have an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, and we're folding in half, what's called hamburger style. Creases at the bottom. I'm folding in half again, the other direction. So I've got perpendicular lines. Unfold it. I'm now going to take this edge and fold this edge into the middle. Now, this is the hardest fold because it's not like it's not a 45-degree or right angle. So we're taking this corner and folding this corner over to touch this edge exactly. Notice when we do this, the fold is ending at the center down here. When we do this, in terms of math, you'll notice that this length right here, if this length is x, or even better, if this length is x, this length is 2x. So we're actually making half of a equilateral triangle. So I've got that fold in place. I'm going to unfold this flap. Notice this point touches this crease. Flip it over and fold this edge down here to match this edge. When you do that, these edges should match really closely. So you've now got sort of a fox face. Good. See the crease down the middle? We're now going to basically fold this in half. I flipped it over there. I didn't need to, but now you'll see this point right here on one side but not on the other. I'm now going to cut straight across, perpendicular to this. This shape right now is actually a hexagon. It's folded up, you can't see it. I'm going to cut a couple of designs into this before I unfold it. Cut down here. Cut a little bit out over here. And make another cut over here. I'm kind of doing this randomly. There's nothing fancy going on here. I occasionally get super fancy with these for no particularly good reason. I'm going to cut the bottom off because I feel like it. I'll make another little roundy cutty over here this side. So notice these cuts aren't planned necessarily. I generally always cut a notch down at the top because that helps emphasize the snowflakiness. Now when you finish this, and fold it, you'll see we have a snowflake that is a hexagon, like traditional snowflakes, which are all hexagons.